Hey guys, so I just got ready. I'm heading into the city with my bestie Sahar today. I've been invited to the YSL exclusive sale event or something. My lovely sales associate texted me earlier this week and he let me know that they're having a private sale that starts today, which today is Thursday, the 21st of September. So I am taking my bestie with me. We're heading out into the city, but before we do that, she's gonna come pick me up and we are gonna go get some brunch and get our nails done. My nails are growing out. So I just got ready, I got dressed, put some makeup on, and I'm still in my closet. Yes, I'm just waiting for Sahar to get here. So I'm going to take you along with me and hopefully I can show you a lot of different things at YSL because I'm really excited to see what this is all about because I've never been to their private sale before. So yeah, I'm so excited to take you guys along with me. And before I head out, I might just quickly show you what I'm wearing today. So I just flipped the camera around. I'm just wearing a very simple black tee today. It is a crop tee from Cotton On, and I've just got some necklaces, just silver tone jewelry. They're from Rose Jewelry, but their website closed down and I get a lot of questions about the necklaces that I wear, and I bought them like 5 years ago from this company called Rose Jewelry, but then they disappeared. So if I find something similar, I'll let you guys know, but they're beautiful quality necklaces that they used to do, so I'm really sad about that. But anyways, and then I've got some cloths on the bottom. It is a very hot day today here in Sydney. It is going to be 33 degrees, so I just wanted to be comfortable and cool, so I'm just wearing some white cloths. And excuse my feet because I don't have any shoes on at the moment because my shoes are just downstairs already. I'm gonna wear my black Hermes Oran sandals, so that is just going to be my shoes. And these cloths, I have them in the black as well, and I've shown them to you before, and they're so comfortable and they're relatively flattering for a short person like me, and they're just from Chic, so really comfortable. And I do like matching these culottes with crop tops because sometimes I do find it a bit tricky to tuck things in, and especially with these relaxed wide-legged fits. Sometimes if you tuck in the shirt and the shirt bunches up underneath your pants, then it can add weight around your mid area and it can really look quite wrinkly around there. So I do like wearing a crop top with pants like this, especially if it's light color, because light color always shows more creases. And I'm taking my Birkin out today, so I tied my twilly around it because I think the hot pink twilly does give it a bit of a summery vibe, so I'm loving the look. And by the way, my bestie is probably gonna bring her new Birkin that we scored together in Paris, and a lot of you asked what she ended up scoring, so if I get a chance, I'm gonna show you her beautiful Birkin as well, so stay tuned for that, maybe over brunch, but we'll see how we go. I'm just gonna go out and meet her and I will talk to you guys really soon. So we got our nails done. I love the festive color that my bestie got, and I got my normal whitish pinky color, but this time with little sparkles in it. I don't know if you can see it, but we're ready to go and check out YSL in a minute. So we're gonna go and our coffee's out. Thank you. Okay, so now coffee time. We'll see you soon. So we just got to YSL and a lot of you actually asked what my bestie got. She got this beautiful gold. Let me just turn around and show you. This is what she got. It's just beautiful, and of course she had to get the matching shoes. Anyways, so we're kind of matching today and we're just waiting. Yeah. So we're just gonna have a look around first. This gold one was part of the 30% off sale and it is stunning. So I just found the mini camera bag with the all black finish. So the chain is black and the logo is black. I absolutely love this one. I really like this.
It's really pretty, but I like it gold.
Yeah? Yeah. This is really sleek though. This is really nice. It's a perfect gold. This is perfect for the festive season. And then the card holder is so cute. It's like a little family. I'm just everywhere. Oh, that's the new Uptown pouch. Your face isn't in it. So now the Uptown pouch comes with the grain leather, which everyone wanted.
The actual bag comes with the ground leather too.
And it's the same price as the smooth leather.
Let me see. I think so.
And this card case is so
Yes,
cute.
it's exactly the same price.
Sweetie, can you pass me my card holder? I just want to see if it's like the same size. So this is my current favorite card holder. It's like the same size, but this looks more classic, the new one. And you can still fit 4 cards in there. And then it's actually got a gusset, because the only complaint about this card holder is that it's a bit stiff, the zipped compartment. But this one opens a lot easier. Thank you. That's nice. Okay, I'm happy with this, but this is nice. This is the new color in the Lulu bag. The new taupey nude color in the Lulu bag. Yeah, I love this color. It's like caramel, isn't it?
Just for demonstration.
And the white one's back in stock. I love this one so much. I might need the white one as well. Oh, and then it's okay. You're hiding behind the thing. Can you hold this for me?
So pretty.
This is so pretty as well. This is a little wristlet wallet, bill pouch. Is this called a bill pouch? And it used to only come in the black, but now it's in the cream as well. How beautiful is that? And this is the new color. It's so pretty. It's like baby pink with silver hardware. Okay, and the opening's really interesting.
Yep. It's a gorgeous.
And it is fully leather lined. What's the name of this line? This is the Cassandra?
Mini Cassandra.
Mini Cassandra. Top handle. How cute is this lock? With the handle.
Hello, how are you?
Oh, and it's got a back pocket. I love back pockets.
I know,
it's so
same.
convenient.
You just pop your phone or anything in
Yeah, I
there.
never had this color before.
Yeah.
It's always the gold
Oh,
hardware.
it's gorgeous.
First time with the silver.
And it's fresh with the silver. And then the Cassandra wallet on chain is now coming in the mock croc as well. Oh, love this mock croc with the silver hardware. And that is the double zip mini loo. But that's a bit shiny, it's beautiful. And the Roger Vivier in David Jones is having 40% off all of these. How good is that, sweetie?
Get a size 35 and a half.
Yes.
Or 35 if you have either.
I do have 35 and a half.
And these ones are 40% off too. I mean, these are normally 2,700, but they're now down to 1,650. So I'm gonna try them on. It's okay. And these are also 40% off as well. And something I liked from the sale section. Hey guys, so I'm back home now. I didn't get to vlog too much more after I showed you those shoes at Roger Vivier. We just got really hungry, so we ate something and we just chatted and checked out some clothes, and I just came home. I didn't buy any shoes from Roger Vivier because as much as I loved those shoes, especially for the prices, some of those shoes were down to 600 and something Australian dollars from 1100. They were just really difficult to resist. But as you guys know, I just came back from Europe and I bought some shoes while I was over there, and I'm just trying to be a good girl and control myself and be responsible. So I can't guarantee that I'm not gonna go back sometime this week and grab them, but for now I thought I'd sit on them and think about them. I try not to impulse buy as much as possible, so as hard as it was, I just had to stop myself and come home and I'm gonna think about it, and if I still love them by the end of the week, maybe I'll go and grab them. But I did buy something from YSL and I just wanted to quickly show you, and it's not an item that you haven't seen before or anything, so I didn't want to do a whole video for it, but I thought this might be a good way to end this vlog. So I'm gonna quickly show you what I got. It wasn't one of the sale items. So the way YSL does these private sales, I found out when I was there, I didn't get to vlog it properly, but it's a private sale. So when you get there as one of the invited customers, they have an iPad with all the items on sale and they show you pictures and ask you if you are interested in any of them, and if you do, they'll bring it out and you can check it out and you can buy them. So there were about 10 items remaining when my bestie and I went, and we didn't find anything that we really wanted to buy, but all of those things were 30% off. So that was such a good deal if you did find something good. But I don't like to buy things that are on sale just because they're on sale. I would only buy things if they're on sale if I would be happy to pay full price for them and they were on my wish list already. But there wasn't really anything on my wish list, and even after 30% off, these bags are quite pricey. So I again controlled myself and didn't buy anything, which I think is pretty well done on my part. But anyway, so let's get into this. So the item is in this bag, normal YSL bag. I'm actually really excited for this because I think there is still a place for this item in my collection. So the box is opening. Comes in this box. She didn't wrap it with a ribbon, but it doesn't matter, it's just for myself. And the receipt is in there. And I'm gonna open the box. You might be able to tell what is in here already if you watch my videos regularly. And the item is in here, and a care booklet in there, in that little envelope there. And to show you guys what I got another Uptown pouch. I know I already have one, but look how beautiful this croc embossed version is. Let me just take this paper out. So I got another Uptown pouch in the croc embossed detail, and this one comes with the silver YSL logo at the front there. The hardware is in silver and it is all over mock crocodile. And I've been loving my other Uptown pouch with the smooth black leather and the gold logo. I love that one so much that I wanted to get another one, and I was thinking of getting the whitish cream color with the gold hardware. They had one, but it had a little fault on it, so I didn't go for it. But for the price point, I may end up going for that one as well. But when I tried this one on with all my items in it that I carry in this and tried it on, I just really loved it. And this one at the moment retails for 720 Australian dollars. And as you guys know, you can use it as a really beautiful handheld clutch, and as a designer clutch goes, I think this is very affordable, very good price point. It is just such a good little sized clutch, so you can just carry it like this. You can take this to weddings, out to dinners, out to the bars, and I just think that this mock croc will be a lot more durable than the other one, which is the smooth leather. So if you are looking for something really durable and more on the affordable size when considering designer items, I do definitely recommend this particular one. I mean, I do love my smooth leather one, but I do still get worried that it's gonna scratch really easily. You can still fit a phone, a little card holder, and a lipstick, tiny little hand cream, and your car key. I've tried that. I've carried my other Uptown pouch with all of those items so many times now. So yeah, I picked this one up, and the other reason that I ended up deciding on this one is because, as you guys know, I just picked this up recently, and I've really been loving this YSL card holder with the zipper compartment, and the two of them are a perfect match. So So I know you don't always necessarily have to match your wallet to your bag or clutch that you're carrying, but I just think that they are so cute together, and I've just been really loving this mock croc material, so I thought you can't really go wrong with the material. Also, I didn't want to spend thousands of dollars on this mock croc trend, but I wanted to take a part of it, so I think this is a good decision on my part. I also found that you can still find this for the old price of 695 Australian dollars on my Teresa, so I'm going to leave a link to that one down below. So if you guys want to check it out, do check it out. You'll love it. If you're on the fence about it, just grab it, because as you can see, I really think it's such a good purchase. I mean, I went and bought a second Uptown pouch, so that says it all. If you want to find out what fits in here and all the rest of the information, I did a whole video on this earlier this year, so I'll leave a link to that video down below and up on the screen. That's pretty much it. This is all I bought today, so well done me for not overspending today. So I'm very happy with myself. I hope you enjoyed this half vlog, half little unboxing, whatever this video was. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you so much for watching and spending some of your precious time with me today, and I can't wait to see you again soon in my next video. Bye guys.